Now next we will study about the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system, it consists of lymph capillaries, large lymph vessels, lymph nodes and lymph. Okay. And lymph, it circulates in the lymphatic system. What is the function of lymphatic system? That it transports the lymph from the body tissues to the blood circulatory system. Okay, because this lymph which is present between the body cells, they are not able to pass in the blood capillaries because of their size, as we discussed earlier. Okay, because the lymph, they contain the large protein molecules, digested fat, so they are very large in size, so they are not able to pass into the blood capillaries. So that's why lymphatic system, it is responsible for the transportation of the lymph from the body tissues to the blood circulatory system. Now students, take a look of the lymphatic system. Okay. Now lymph capillaries. These are known as the lymph capillaries. As the lymphatic system, it consists of lymph capillaries, lymph vessels and lymph nodes. So these lymph capillaries, they join to form the large lymph vessel. These lymph capillaries, when they join, okay, when they join, then they form the large lymph vessel, and this large lymph vessels, they join to form the lymph nodes. They have the lymph nodes, and these lymph nodes, they contain the lymphocytes. These are the lymph nodes. What does they contain? They contain the lymphocytes, and lymphocytes, they are also known as the WBCs. And what is the function of WBCs? Yes, they protect the body by killing the germs. Okay, once again, lymph capillaries. Lymph capillaries, they join to form the large lymph vessels, and these large lymph vessels, they have lymph nodes, and lymph nodes, they are also known as lymph glands, and these lymph nodes, they contain the lymphocytes. They are also known as WBCs, which are responsible for killing the germs. Okay, lymph capillaries, they join to form the lymph vessel, they have lymph nodes. So that's I've written here, lymph capillaries join to form large lymph vessels, and large lymph vessels, they contain lymph nodes. They are also known as lymph glands. Lymph nodes, they contain lymphocytes. What are lymphocytes? Yes, they are WBCs, which kill the germs that are present in the lymph. And what is lymph? It is a light yellow liquid which contains large protein molecules, digested food, germs and fragments of dead cells. Okay, and lymphocytes, they are responsible for killing the germs and removing the fragments of the dead cells. They clear the lymph. They are responsible for clearing the lymph. And lymphatic system, they transport the lymph from the body tissues to the back to the blood circulatory system, because these large lymph vessels, then these lymph vessels that are connected to the larger veins of the circulatory system. Now next is functions of lymph. So as you know that lymphatic system, they contain lymphocytes, and lymphocytes, they protect the body by killing the germs and dead cells. Okay, lymph, it helps in removing the waste products like fragments of dead cells, etc. Lymph, it helps in the nutritive process by transporting large protein molecules, digested fat, to the large veins, and in this way the circulation of lymph from the body tissues to the heart is completed.